Have you always wondered why customer service presents the character of the business? Customer service is undeniably one of the most significant aspects of any business. Regardless of the size of the company, customer service provides impression to the people about the company. In running a business, the significance of providing the needs of the customers by responding to their queries and demands is something that must not be overlooked at. With the launching of the internet, companies can now provide quality customer service to their customers while they can freely share their opinions and comments about the products and services they get. Most customer service departments of most companies now have enhanced customer service systems. They utilize modern technology, particularly new generation computers and online systems. For more information about customer service, please visit our website at www.customerserviceskills.com. Skills